Most people use only one passive income app, and then wonder why they barely make any money. Here's the truth no one tells you. The real strategy is stacking multiple passive apps together. That's how some users turn tiny earnings into steady monthly side income. In this video, I'll show you the best passive income apps like Honeygain that still work in 2026, how they actually make money, and which ones are worth your time. And make sure you stay until the end, because one of these apps can run almost completely in the background, with very little effort. Let's start with the most popular alternative, Pawns.app. This app works similarly to Honeygain by sharing unused internet bandwidth. Users earn passive income while their device stays connected online. For example, Alex runs Pawns.app on an old laptop overnight and earns small daily rewards without touching the app. But here's the problem. Many people expect huge payouts from bandwidth sharing apps alone. Realistically, these apps work best when combined with other passive earning methods. That brings us to the next app, CashGiraffe. Instead of sharing internet, CashGiraffe pays users for playing mobile games. Now this is where it gets interesting. Some users leave simple games running during free time, and slowly build up gift card rewards over weeks. Another solid option is Misplay. This app is especially popular among Android users. It rewards you for testing and playing new games. Jake uses Misplay while commuting to work and redeems points for gift cards every month. It's not fully passive like Honeygain, but it requires very little mental effort. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest combination of apps for maximizing earnings. Next is Fetch Rewards. This app pays users for scanning shopping receipts. Every time John buys groceries, he uploads the receipt and collects points toward gift cards. It's simple, fast, and works well alongside passive apps. Now let's talk about Rakuten. This is one of the easiest cashback apps available. Instead of earning from bandwidth or games, Rakuten gives cashback when shopping online at partner stores. Many users forget this, but saving money is also a form of earning money. But here's where most people fail. They install too many apps at once, and stop using all of them after a few days. The smarter strategy is choosing 2 or 3 reliable apps that fit naturally into your routine. For example, you could run Honeygain or Pawns.app in the background, use Fetch Rewards after shopping, and occasionally use Misplay during free time. Together, those small earnings add up much faster than relying on only one app. Now, are these apps going to replace a full-time job? Probably not. But they can generate extra side income for things like coffee, subscriptions, small bills, or savings. The key takeaway is simple. Passive income apps work best when expectations stay realistic and consistency stays high. Small earnings from multiple apps can become meaningful over time. If this video helped you discover new passive income apps, hit the like button, subscribe for more honest earning app reviews, and comment below which app has made you the most money so far.